Itialoi thoka 25th Hornbill Festival kisaman laga Naga Heritage Village laga Bamboo Hall Day International Day of Persons with Disabilities ke mark kurigina program ekta rakhishe aru itu logode Disability Pride Fair 2024 bi chuli ase. Itu fair ke State Commissioner for PWD pra sayase Nagaland Social Welfare laga advisor Wangpang Konyak pra kuishe PWD khan laga kam saigina tai khan person with disability nahoigina person with special ability ase aru sarkar pra bhi pura koshish di ase tai khan ge support diwale. Ekta report deep saikya logode sabo.
'25 edition Hornbill Festival itia choli ase aru aji 3rd December ase aru itia moi video journalist pura television screen te dekhai dia nisna International Day of Person with Disabilities aru Government of Nagaland laga Social Welfare Department pura especially Nagaland thaga disabilities persons kan karne government scheme pura dhori kine bisi bhag related help karne takhan laga ekta Fair 2024 yate kori ase to moi logote kunba madam ase takhan logote bi mon la kotha aji janibole try koribo to ma'am aji ekta bhal din apni khan log paise Social Welfare Government of Nagaland pura apni khan logote initiate kori kena apni khan la bhal nimite government scheme pura dhori kena apni khan laga advantage disadvantage karne bishi কাম কৰিবলে একটা energetically একটা program set কৰিছে ইটো আপুনি বি as a citizen of Nagaland what will be your point of view?
Okay, first of all, thank you Hornbill TV for giving me this time. My name is Fatima and I'm the president of Nagaland State Disability Forum. Today as we celebrate the International Day of Persons with Disability, we are so grateful to the Office of the State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities for organizing this program. And through this program, we came across that even the Social Welfare Department, the allied NGOs, different organizations, they came forward for this program. And I hope through this program, in the coming days, the disabled persons, they are not alone, but every one of us contribute in our own way, either the institution, the department, or organization. So through this program, we hope and expect that in the coming days there will be more collaborative program, or there will be more empowerment for persons with disability or inclusion of persons with disability in whatever areas we may be. And regarding the schemes, there are so many schemes available for persons with disabilities. If these schemes are recognized or implemented in a state in a right way, then it will help the persons with disabilities in so many areas, be it education, be it employment, be it skill development, different areas. So together, let us come forward, let us strive forward and move forward for the persons with disability. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Aru mokhan itia dekhai thaga nisina disabilities yate pura dis to hatai dile abilities to thake aru ma'am pura kwa laga objective itu ase Nagaland te itia kun kun aji laga current date disabled persons khan ase itu mon chotu nokori kene come forward ahibole koise aru bisibak government scheme khan laga yate charcha kori kene thaka mokhan dekhi pai ase aru aji ma'am ke loi kene aru bisibak kiman nisina manu yate ma'am aji ahise
today to this program for persons with disability, we have more than 100 students, persons with disabilities, and we have invitees also, be it from the schools or education department or organizations. And outside the stall, outside the arena, there is a stall displayed that is products made by persons with disabilities. There are parents association, inclusive schools, and one stall is by Nagaland State Disability Forum. That is a collective products of all the persons from different districts of Nagaland who send their products, and we are selling all those also.
মেম মোখান আৰু একটা জায়গা দেখি পাই আছে আৰু একটা সিন দেখি পাই আছে বেছিভাগ ডিজেবল পাৰ্সনস কান ভেৰিয়াছ টেলেন্ট লৈ কিনা ইয়াতে আহি কিনা পৌঁছিছে বাট এতিয়া বি সাম অফ দ্য ডিজেবিলিটিজ একটা জায়গাতে ষ্টাক আছে মন ছুটু কৰি কিনা তাখান ডিজেবল হোৱাৰ পৰা একো কৰিব নাপাৰে একটা ফ্ৰাষ্ট্ৰেচন আছে তো দোজ ডিজেবিলিটি থাকা পাৰ্সনস খান কাৰণে আপনিলা মেছেজ কি হ'ব আপনি কি ক'বলৈ মন যাব তাখানকে
There are so many persons with disabilities because of the stigma, because of the discrimination. They feel shy to come out from the society. And through this program, we hope that it will be an eye-opener and it will encourage the persons with disabilities to come out from the comfort zone and be a part. We are all part of the society, so there is nothing without us. If there are no persons with disabilities. So everything is for persons with disability. We are all inclusive society and this Hornbill Festival is for all also. So in the coming days, I encourage the persons with disabilities to come forward and even the parents to let the children come out from their comfort zone. Because of overprotection, so to say, in a state, many children also they feel shy to come or because of the stigma that they face or some persons, they don't want to show their disability because of bullying or some people, they may stare at them or some they will imitate them. So seeing all those, they feel shy to come out. So whatever it may be, the society is short, tall, fat, thin, persons with disability, with non-disabled persons. So this society is for all. So please, I encourage the persons with disability to come out from your comfort zone and let's celebrate the day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. 25 edition Hornbill Festival laga আজি third day আছে আৰু আজি মই লগতে এতিয়া ইন্টাৰনেশনাল ডে অফ ডিজেবিলিটি কোনটো ফেয়াৰ ইয়াতে 2024 ইয়াতে অৰ্গানাইজ কৰিছে একজন মই লগতে এতিয়া কানেক্ট হ'ব তাই ফিজিক্যালি ডিজেবল হলেবি মখান বেছিভাগ জাগাতে তাইকে গানা হলেবি কৰা আৰু দুসৰা সোশ্যাল ওয়ার্ক খানতে মই বিজি থাকা কালি পৰা তাইখানকে ফলো কৰি আছে আৰু স্যার ফার্স্ট অফ অল ওয়েলকাম টু হর্নবিল টিভি গভর্নমেন্ট অফ নাগাল্যান্ড সোশ্যাল ওয়েলফেয়ার ডিপার্টমেন্ট পৰা আপনি খান ডিজেবল পার্সনস খান কাৰণে একটা ভাল ইনিশিয়েটিভ লৈ কিনা ফরওয়ার্ড কৰিবলৈ আৰু ফিউচারে ভাল ভাল কাম কৰিব নিমিতে গভর্নমেন্ট স্কিম খান বি ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশন নিমিতে আপনি খান কাৰণে একটা প্রোগ্রাম এৰেঞ্জ কৰিছে তো আপনি এটো ওপৰতে কেনেকা পয়েন্ট অফ ভিউ থাকিব
First of all, government gave BC things there. In the previous days, in the like who Taganai, Olivi, Dedo, Somanivi, in the Somanivi Chukiti to Igina, in our government Cambravinia initiative Kuidia, a big thank you to state government and social welfare department.
Sir, those people who are not still coming to main basic stage, they are feeling shy to come forward and they don't want to come their comfort zone. What do you want to say for that people?
I want to say that, I'll just speak in Nagamis. I want to, like in the, like I said earlier, in the pula din ya thaki joli aji kali to pichi change hoise mohalla society bi pichi change hoise to ini na khore puin kurina rakhai lo pulli to ini olai na party ki tangi pare ki learn kuru bola ki shika bola ase to kan shikuli dibi ar parents kan bi sob na khabi ini ta na bacha ki pare na se tu auli party olai na kuru boli dibi to amila message dito ase
sir mokhan bahar debi besibak talent dekhise kunba chokupura ni dekhilebe eto art khan bhal kori ase gana kori ase alag various talent ase to frustrated hoi thaka khan to khali frustrated na thaki na in future ta khan kineka korile itu comfort zone pra ahi kena koribole paribo apni la point of view ki hobo
according to me to one to hele ni ta khan nijor ke like mui paribo
boost up koribo lage
boost up koribo lage mui bi nia ulibi suguna thaki libi or hat na thaki libi mui bi paribo ina like ta push থাকিব লাগে ina usule ta khan achieve hobo paribo ki ulibi
apni la naam to
mula naam hunchmo ase
kundu district pora ase
ami to bukhala ase oliu mui to kohimate thake
na itia tak apuni government of Nagaland pura kineka facilities ar nohole bi kineka help pai ase
tetak to eku enega facilities to ina to napai
future de pabole
future de hope future hope ase
acha thank you sir
yeah welcome
আৰু এটো থাকিছে ডিজেবল কোন পার্সনস খান আলাগ টেলেন্ট লৈ কিনে নাগালেণ্ড এতিয়া বি থাকি আছে আৰু দিস ইয়াৰ 2024 তে এটো program pora especially government scheme khan kenega implement hoigine takhan ke help koribo itu laga uporte objective rakhi kine social welfare department pora itu organize korise itia Hornbill TV logote connect hobo advisor and MLA Wangpang Koina kun social welfare department pora aji itu program initiate korise to tai logote mohan janibole try koribo sir itu ekta bhal initiative for those people who are not still come from their comfort zone aji apni khan international day of person with disabilities la program ekta rakhise government scheme khan bi implement koribole besibak forward loi jabole takhan ke helping hand ekta hobole ase to itula uporte apni khan ki message charibo itia bi bishi manho sai korigena takhan comfort zone pra nulai gine disable hoigena frustrated hoige thaka dikhi ase mokhan
Thank you, Hornbill TV. Today, fortunate to be part of this disability park fair. Disabilities, as I was telling in my speech, they are not disabilities. They are person with special abilities.
yeah
So, as we have seen in the various stalls, with all the
things are there,
all the artwork, all these talent which has been showcased in the stall. That they are not disability. They are
Different
a person with
abilities.
with special abilities.
Yeah.
So even government, we also trying our best to remove all the barriers, be it in the institution, be it in the society, or be it in the government functionaries. So this is what I would say, that the government are also trying our best to make sure that these disabilities are not considered as the disabled persons.
So is there any special announcement will be announced takhan karne kiba special announcement ase niki
Right now, not from my side. But of course, the department with the commissions and together with the Department of Social Welfare, we have various schemes, for the disability sector. As in the program, my secretary has also highlighted few schemes that has been in existence in the department. So, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
MLA advisor Wangpang Koinak pura aji few lines koise aru in future etu government pura bhi disabled person karone bhal kaam kori jabo koine assurance dite. Thank you for watching Hornbill TV. Me reporter Deep Soikia from Kijama Heritage Village.